Hi guys, in this easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import beats to BandLab. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your BandLab account, and then in the top here, you can see this create button here. You want to click on it, and now you will have like two options. Like you can either create a new project or or you can just generate an idea with AI. So like BandLab has introduced this new technologies like generate the ideas with AI. But for today's video, we are going to click on a new project so that we can import a beat to our BandLab. Now you want to click on new project. Now after that, guys, it's going to take you guys to this page. Just give it a few seconds. As you can see, it says loading, preparing audio. Now make sure the audio format is MP4. Okay, if it's not MP4, you can just go and it says here our web might be under maintenance. Just give it a few seconds here, and see, it seems like it's under maintenance, but don't worry, I will just leave another video in the screen right now. Just click on it. I already made a video about this. Just click the video in the screen right now, and I will show you guys in that video how you can import beats and other tips. Okay, so drop a like on this one. Let's see you guys in the next tutorial.